Weaknesses in using Instagram as an educator. As with any tool in the classroom, Instagram also has its weaknesses. One of those weaknesses is having an age requirement. Users of Instagram need to be at least 13 years of age. However, the population that we have targeted is generally just becoming 13 or even younger than 13. While one of the advantages of Instagram is such the popularity with this age group, it's also a disadvantage. There are still a large portion of this population that is not familiar with Instagram or is not permitted to have Instagram by parental discretion. Limitations on your content is also a weakness in using Instagram. While there are plenty of content-related images, text, videos on Instagram, there may be limitations with specific contents. Therefore, we cannot solely rely on Instagram in the classroom. There are also additional weaknesses such as safety, which require using internet safety rules to be applied before tasks such as these are given to students. And as always, it is important to inform parents of students' use of social media websites as well as any other internet resource.